Hey mom, I have this crazy simple trick I want to share with you in order for you to get more me time. And this tip definitely has something to do with this crown. Now, before you say I've heard this before, it doesn't work, I want you to know I'm sitting here relaxing with my beautiful cup of coffee while my son is upstairs cleaning the bathroom. So you want to know the secret? Become the queen of delegation. Delegate. It's time. Moms do about 15 hours more a week in domestic duties. That just breaks my heart. So my tip for you is to delegate. And the first place I started when I started delegating was to do a chores audit. So you can find those sheets on the internet. Look at all the chores that you have to get done in a week and start to delegate the ones that are appropriate. The second tip, and this is what I did with my family when I started delegating, is I first did the chores with them, and then I would have instructions and check-off sheets and workflows so that they knew exactly how to do it. That way it helped them, they knew exactly what to do. And then I surrendered because part of it is they're not gonna do it exactly the way I want it or the way that I would do it, but we could get pretty close. So those are my tips for you, dear mama, because it's a new year. It's time. I want something different for you. Become the queen of delegation so that you can have more me time. And please, if you would, share this beautiful message with other moms, your mom friends, because all mamas need support and inspiration right now.